Hello, welcome to Sharik Ashraf Vlogs. And in this video, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of Google Nest Hub second generation. As you can see, I have ordered this particular device from Flipkart and in a sale duration and got it for a really good pricing. As you can see, it is quite well packaged and even you can see that I am a Flipkart Plus member from the packaging, and the whole packaging looks really good. And here you can see the model number. Here is the Google Nest Hub second generation mentioned, and on the bottom the pricing and all other specification is mentioned. And we can see that over here the partners, the media partners of Google are mentioned. So let's quickly unbox the device now. So here you can see I have just opened the box, and you can see the speaker is mounted towards the back and the screen is in the front, and it's a 7-inch screen. The screen quality looks good, and I will show you after the whole setup the how the screen quality is actually look. And here is the charger, not the charger, the adapter for this Google Nest Hub. This is the whole manual to read what are the things we have concerned about, like privacy and all. Everything is mentioned, and it's the same adapter which we have seen in even the Google Nest Mini, and I think both can be used at any for any device. So yeah, the packaging is really good from Google standards, and as we can see, there is even a Google branding over the adapter. And yeah, basically this is like just a plug-in adapter that's used even in some laptops too, and it's not a battery powered device, so one can easily use it by putting directly into the plug, and it has to be connected to be used. So all I the will time make a complete video on this over the overview and the review on this particular device and what are the things you can do with this device. So that's all for today in this particular video. Hope to see you in the next video. If you like this video, please share, subscribe the channel, and if you have any question, do ping down in the comment section. Thank you.